If you are wondering whether you should be doing the HV commercial solar PV course offered by PQRS, this video is for you. It's the installation behind me that made me realize that there are lots of courses currently being offered to installers and contractors on sizing and designing solar PV systems. But there aren't any courses that give guys a real view of what they are up against when they start doing commercial installations and they start with high voltage battery energy storage systems. How do you size the system? How do you design it? What are the pitfalls? What are the risks? What do you need to look out for? What are the things that you need to know that's going to save you money? And what is the thing you need to know that's going to take your business and give it that extra boost, give it that extra step, and give you information that other guys don't have on solar PV installations? The solar HV course covers everything from selecting the right inverter, looking at load profiles, what to look for in the load profile before and after installations, as well as things like harmonics, the impact of the power generated by the solar system after the installation. We look at other things like how you integrate existing solar PV plants into a new installation. So lots of customers would have grid-tied systems, and now all of a sudden they want to have battery energy storage systems. How do you do AC coupling? Where does it fit in? There are lots of risks in commercial and industrial installations, and the larger your project grows, the bigger the risks associated to that particular project. Guys, my name is Carl Ballack. I'm from PQRS, and I am probably going to be the guy that presents this course. I know for a fact that currently there are no other courses offering the depth and level of information covered in this particular HV BESS commercial installation course. If it's the kind of information you need to take your business to the next level, you're welcome to register or give me a call and make sure that we are going to be covering the information that you need. Thanks for watching.